Hi there, and thanks for joining us to learn more about Maestro. In this video, we will discuss another method for modifying molecules in Maestro. In the previous video, we used the 2D sketcher to edit a ligand. Now we are going to use the 3D builder to modify the original ligand in the workspace. Once more, make sure to have your Maestro intro project open and your working directory set to your course folder. First, include only the original ligand in the workspace, and, just as we did before, right-click on that ligand in the entry list and choose to duplicate in place. Now double-click on the new entry and rename it to Ligand_3D Builder. Come up to the Build button at the very top center of the Maestro interface and click. You can click and drag the top of the panel to place it where you like. Within the 3D Builder, we can do quite a lot of things. We can duplicate entries in the workspace. We can move specific entries or atoms relative to one another. We can add fragments and modify the atoms and bonds. Hovering over each of these buttons will show you a tooltip to help you remember what they do. Buttons will become active or inactive based on what is in your workspace. Now, click Draw. You will see a banner pop up at the top of the 3D workspace. This banner will enable you to choose which atoms you'd like to add and which atoms you'd like to remove. If you click on these 3 dots, you will see more options, including choosing from any of the atoms on the periodic table. So now we're going to click on carbon and add a methyl group to our ligand. Here, a way to do that is to click on this carbon and drag with your mouse, then release. A methyl group is added, replacing the hydrogen that was there. Click OK. You can also add a variety of fragments. Let's do that over here at that methyl group that we edited before. Click the carbon to select the methyl group, and then choose Add Fragments in the 3D Builder. Click the cyclopentadiene. Now that fragment has been added to where the methyl group was. Clicking on these 4 lines here will allow you to make edits to the connection point of the fragment. Right now, the connection point is an sp2 carbon, but let's say we want our molecule to have the sp3 carbon connecting the cyclopentadiene to the rest of the ligand. Click on the yellow box here, and now it has been modified. From here, click on the nitrogen and turn this cyclopentadiene into a pyrrole. This could have been done a bit more easily by clicking on the 3 dots here and selecting the N heterocycles. Take a moment to notice how many different kinds of fragments you have access to within the Builder panel. Keep in mind that the ligands that are designed using the 3D Builder have not been minimized, nor have they been properly prepared for use in modeling. We will discuss ligand preparation later in a video. At this point, it is worth thinking about what kinds of modifications you would prefer to do in the 2D sketcher and what would be best for the 3D Builder. In the next video, we will go through using the Maestro workspace toggles. See you then!